Welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to build a simple yet powerful project, an ultrasonic distance sensor that shows real-time distance measurements on an LCD display. This project is perfect for beginners looking to dive into Arduino and electronics. To make this project, we'll be using an ultrasonic sensor, which works by emitting ultrasonic waves and measuring the time it takes for them to bounce back from an object. We'll display the measured distance in both centimeters and inches on this 16:2 LCD screen. The components you'll need are an Arduino, the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor, a 16:2 LCD with an I2C module, and some jumper wires. Here's how to connect everything. The trig and echo pins of the ultrasonic sensor are connected to digital pins 9 and 10 of the Arduino. The I2C interface of the LCD uses two wires, SDA and SCL, which are connected to the respective SDA and SCL pins on the Arduino. Next, we'll be using the Liquid Crystal I2C library to control the LCD screen and a few simple calculations to convert the echo time from the ultrasonic sensor into distance in both centimeters and inches. In the setup function, we initialize the LCD and configure the ultrasonic sensor pins. Then, in the loop, we send a pulse to the sensor, wait for the echo, and calculate the distance based on the time it takes for the pulse to return. The distances are then displayed on the LCD. Here's the final result. As I move my hand in front of the sensor, the distance is displayed on the LCD in both centimeters and inches. This can be used in a variety of real-world applications, like object detection or even robotic navigation. That wraps up today's project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more awesome DIY electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.